Hey guys, Aniket here. Today I will be diving into insane student discounts that you might get as a student in Czech Republic. As a student in Czech Republic, you get student email ID and IC card. The IC card is globally recognized student ID that proves your student status and give you access to thousands of discounts on products, services and experience worldwide. If you guys don't have the IC card, this is the process for you to get one. First of all, let's discuss about the eligibility. You need to be actively enrolled in educational institution such as university, college or high school. Part-time students or working professionals are generally not eligible for IC card. Now let's look at where we can apply for this card. You can get it from your university, for which you will need documentation like confirmation letter from your educational institution, passport photo and ID proof. Remember, you might need to pay 350 to 400 Czech crown fees for this card. Now let's talk about discounts. I have divided discounts in below types. Transportation discounts. IC card holders get significant savings on public transport pass in Czech Republic, which include travel including trams, buses, metro and even intercity trains like RegioJet and České dráhy. For example, for annual pass of Czech Republic, normal people have to pay 3,650 Czech crowns, whereas students have to pay only 1,280 Czech crowns. Cultural and entertainment savings. Students can enjoy reduced entry fees to museums, theatre, historical landmarks, and events across the country. For example, if you go to any cinema at Cinema City, you get some specific amount of discount on movie tickets. Technology and electronics. On Samsung products, you can get 20% discount. On GoPro, HP and Lenovo, you can get special student rates. For Apple products, you can get discounts up to 15%. On the websites like alza.cz, you can get electronics on discounted rates. On the websites like smarty.cz, you can avail discounts on gadgets and tech accessories. For technologies like GitHub and JetBrains has 50% discount on courses. You can even get NordVPN at 65% off. You can get Canva subscription for discounted rate for students. Mobile plans and internet. For SIMs like Vodafone, students can get data for 487 Czech crowns per month, whereas non-students can get it for 600 Czech crowns. Retail and fashion. You can get discounts on clothing like Pepe Jeans and Levi's. On Tesco, you can get 10% discounts on groceries and more. For supplement websites like MyProtein, you can get 55% off on products. On the games and puzzles from Albuy, you can get 8% discount. Food and dining. By using student card, you can get discounts at major fast food chains like KFC, McDonald's, Subway, Pizza Hut, Ugo, Starbucks, etc. Books and education. Luxor, Academia's bookstore. You can get discounts at these places as well. Fitness and sports. You can even get discounts on selected gyms for gym memberships. If you are interested in skiing, at mountain resorts, you can get 10% discount. If you are into traveling, you can avail these discounts. On Flixbus, you can get discounted rates on bus travel. You can get 4% cashback on booking from booking.com. If you guys are from India and if you are planning to come to Czech Republic, you can avail increased baggage allowance up to 46 kilograms from Lufthansa Airlines. Even Emirates and Qatar Airways have also special discounts for students. Health and wellness. At Dr. Max, you might get 10% discounts on pharmacy products. You can even get discounted student rates for health and travel insurances. Subscription and entertainment. At Netflix, YouTube Premium, Spotify, Apple Music, Hulu, Amazon Prime, you can even get some specific student subscription rates. Even at the Vogue magazines, you might get 48% discounts. You can even get more discounts on products and services by downloading a live app. That's it for now. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.